Hello, my dear students. This is Sonia Akhtar, lecturer, Department of English, Milestone College. How are you, my dear students? I wish you all are fine. You have to continue your study by staying at home. For this reason, I am here for taking your English second paper class. Can anyone guess what is the topic of today's class? Can anyone? Yes, you. Tell me. Yes, you are right. It's punctuation from your English second paper. And the most important fact, it's not a new topic. You are well known with this topic and you are almost expert in this topic. So, we will learn punctuation. Dear students, punctuation. We should discuss something about punctuation. What do you understand by punctuation? We will learn the definition, we'll learn the rules of punctuation. But what do you understand by punctuation? Why is it needed? What is the necessity of punctuation in our life? Yes, it's really important. If you want to express your feelings completely, then you need the use of punctuation. In your writing, if you want to express your feelings completely, to express complete feelings, you have to use punctuation mark. So, this is really the important topic. If you want to write any conversation, you have to use punctuation mark. If you want to write any writing part as paragraph or any topic, if you want to write, then you have to use punctuation. We will learn some punctuation marks and their uses. We will learn. But can anyone write one complete sentence without using punctuation? Punctuation is the most important part of grammar. So, you should learn them. And for getting good marks in punctuation for English second paper, you should practice, you should learn the rules of punctuations. Punctuation mark. Let's know the definition of punctuation. Here, I have written the definition. Punctuation is the art of separating sentences by using some marks such as full stop, comma, etc. That means, if we want to express our complete sense, then we have to use punctuation mark. Let's know the list of punctuation mark. As we know all of them, but we should know them again. Here, first of all, you have to use full stop. As you know, what is the demand of full stop? That means after all complete sentence, you have to use full stop. Then comma. If you want to take break for a while, then you have to use comma in a sentence. Then semicolon. If you want to express anything, if you want to describe anything by using examples, then you can use semicolon. Next, colon. This is also used to describe some examples. Then the most important punctuation mark, that is note of interrogation. It is used after interrogative sentence. If you want to ask something, if you want to know something by asking any question, then you have to use note of interrogation. So this is one of the most important punctuation mark, as you will use in your all the writings, or whenever you will talk, you will find the touch of this interrogative sentence. And then note of exclamation. After all exclamatory sentence, you have to use note of exclamation. Inverted commas. we have used this inverted comma to express conversation directly. Okay, whenever you will quote directly the speech of any person, then you have to use inverted comma. Then apostrophe and hyphen. You know the use of apostrophe and hyphen also. Dash, colon dash, brackets. You are well known with these punctuation marks and you know where it should be applied. Capitalization. You should know the rules of capitalization, as you have to answer punctuation by taking help from capitalization. So before going to practice punctuation mark, you should know all the rules of capitalization and punctuation mark. Let's know first rule. I have written few of them. You can take help from your grammar book. First letter of any sentence. That means if you want to write any sentence, first letter of that sentence you have to write in capital letter. Second rule, day, month, season. If you want to write any name of any day, that means Saturday, Sunday, then you have to use first letter in capital letter. If you want to write the name of any month, then also you have to follow this rule. That means you have to write the first letter in capital letter. Rules 3. This is one of the most important rules, that if you find I is used as person or mentioned any person in any sentence, then you have to use this I in capital letter. Designation and quotation. If you want to write the designation like headmaster, principal, lecturer, professor, then you have to write capital letter, the first letter in capital letter. And also if you want to write any quotation, then also you have to use capital letter. Then if you want to write any name of any book, then you have to use the capital letter, first letter. And then if you want to write any name of any place, then you have to write first letter in capital letter. As usual, community, that means Muslim or Hindu, then you have to use capital letter. If you want to write any name of any country, then you also have to write by using first letter in capital letter. This is the use of capitalization. Then rule 6. If you want to write the name of any island, the name of any island or the name of any ocean or any river or any mountain, then also you have to write those names the first letter in capital letter. Practice makes a man perfect. We know this proverb, so let's practice punctuation. Before going to practice, you should know the question pattern. What is the demand of the question? The demand of the question is use capitals. That means you have to use capital letter and punctuation mark where necessary in the following text. That means with text is given in your question paper, you have to use capital letters and punctuation mark there. So this is the demand of your question. So let's see what is the question. Rajshahi Board 2019. This is the question. We have to practice it. Go to bed now, mother said. After reading this conversation, after reading this passage, you have to identify the conversation. So, I have identified one person, that is mother. Go to bed now, mother. Mother said. This is complete sentence. And then you can complete your assignment in the morning. This is another conversation of mother. Then we have to identify other person. Who is he or she? No, mom, I will finish it now. There is another person, that is the children, that means son or daughter. So this is how you have to identify the person and their conversation. It will help you to complete the punctuation mark. Here is the answer of Rajshahi Board 2019. Question number 11, punctuation. So I have used here first G as capital letter and go to bed now within inverted comma, and mother said here this is a complete sentence, so we have to use full stop. You can complete your assignment in the morning. This is another conversation, another speech, so I have used here inverted comma. No, mom, it's another other person's speech, so we have used here in again inverted comma. And here it was mentioned I double L, that means I will, the short form of I will. So this is how you have to complete whenever you will find any question. Kumilla Board 2019. At first, you should read the passage 2 times. Why are you late? What do you understand by reading this? Which kind of sentence is this? Who can say? Yes, it's an interrogative sentence. So after interrogative sentence, we have to use note of interrogation. And it is a conversation or it is a speech. So direct speech. So we have to use within inverted comma. Then always try to attend the class regularly. Another conversation. We didn't find the person yet. So we will try to identify the person here. Yes, sir. Another person's conversation. The student said to the teacher. They are the persons. That means student and teacher. The conversation of teacher and student. So you have to read the passage and then try to identify the conversations and try to specifically identify the conversation. This is the answer. As I have told you that it is written in interrogative sentence, so you have to use note of interrogation here, and this is a conversation of one person. So this is a conversation of a teacher. So you have to keep those conversations in inverted comma. Why are you late? Always try to attend the class regularly. This is one conversation and we have used inverted comma. And then second conversation, that is yes sir. I have used comma after yes because we have to take a break for a while. So that I have used here comma. Yes sir, this is another person's conversation, so we have to use inverted comma. The student said to the teacher. This is the complete sense, so we have to use full stop. Okay? Dear students, this is how you have to practice punctuation mark. Whenever you will practice from your model question book, your board question, then it will help you to get good marks in punctuation mark. So practice from your board question, all the board questions, and from your model question part, that you will get good marks in punctuation. For getting good marks, you have to practice from them. And if you face any problem regarding punctuation mark, then you can ask me. You also can talk to your subject teachers about this topic. He or she will help you in this grammatical item. And also, before going to practice this topic, you will just learn all the rules from your grammar book. Okay, dear students, Allah Hafiz.